Hey everyone, in yesterday's video I showed you how I adapted all of my iPhone settings for one-handed use. In today's video, I will show you how all these awesome features work. Reachability, shake to undo, one-handed keyboard, and Hey Siri. Reachability is a feature I almost use every day. This is on iPhones 10 and newer with no home button. It can be accessed in any app, including the home screen. All you do is swipe the bottom of the screen down to pull the top of the screen halfway down to reach the top, like this. On iPhones 8 and older with home buttons, it is already enabled. All you have to do is double tap the home button to enable it. Shake to undo is a really unique feature on the iPhone. You can access it wherever you are typing anything. I am going to use the Messages app. Say you're typing something to a friend and you misspell it. Instead of having to press the delete button multiple times and hold it down, all you have to do is shake the iPhone to delete. Like this. I use the one-handed keyboard every day because it makes my life a whole lot easier to type. Here is the one-handed keyboard. You can shrink it to the left, keep it the same in the middle, or shrink it to the right. Because I am a lefty, I shrink it to the left and just keep it this way. Siri is your assistant right in your pocket. You can ask her to do multiple things on your iPhone, and she will most likely do it for you. I will go into greater detail about Siri in an upcoming video. Today, I will demonstrate making an alarm for today at 11 o'clock using Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Set an alarm for 11 o'clock a.m. today.
I've set an alarm for 11 a.m.
I actually underuse Siri a whole lot. If you get used to her, you can make your life a whole lot easier. If you like these videos, please press the subscribe button below to not miss any upcoming videos in the future. If you have any suggestions about me doing any tutorials in the future, please comment in the comment section below.